Hello， 大家好，我係 Steve。咁上一集咧，我就分享我同阿飛翻去英國嗰個星期咧，我哋做咗啲乜嘢。今集就係下集，就會介紹我哋去過值得介紹嘅餐廳同埋一啲買嘢嘅地方。咁希望大家中意呢條片啦，記住撳 like、subscribe 同埋撳埋個鐘仔。咁第一個餐廳想介紹咧，就係 Richmond 附近嘅 The Original Maid of Honor。咁依間餐廳咧係專係食啲 pies 啊、cakes 啊同埋 afternoon tea。佢已經有150年嘅歷史，佢啲 pies 同埋 pastry 係出名越辣辣即溶喺口，價錢咧就係相當係合理，一啲都唔貴。我哋次次去咧都係滿晒人，完全係一個好 local 英國去食 pies and pastries 嘅地方。咁今次阿飛咧就約咗一班舊同學喺度又食又傾，真係幾開心㗎。我哋咧就諗住買一啲好英國嘅手信俾我哋日本嘅朋友，結果朋友咧就介紹 Jellycat Fish and Chips Experience， 因為呢個 Fish and Chips Experience 淨係倫敦先有，全世界各地都冇。
What we have to do is you've got to make sure that's smelling good for you. You go nice and hot through that. Very, very hot, yeah? So you can like any salt, vinegar, or lemon on that. Go ahead, yeah, nice. And then some salt. No, that's just for Stephen.
Okay.
And then we'll stick that into the middle.
Okay.
And that is one and then fresh. Go ahead.
Okay.
Here we go. I've got the best chips here for you as well, yeah? Now these ones say best fish and chips in London on the back, yeah? So you've got to make sure that they smell like the best. There you go. And then some vinegar right there. Amazing. Yeah, there you go. I'm back. Amazing. I'm back. Yes, I'm back here. Perfect. There you look. Give it a look. Looking very, very nice. So happy. And we can do it together. Watch. Take that one. Don't put vinegar on there.
結果我哋買咗一大紮玩具翻去俾日本嘅朋友仔女，雖然價錢幾貴，日本人真係好中意呢啲嘢，一啲日本買唔到嘅手信，尤其是歐洲嘅嘢。我估唔到咧，我會介紹英國嘅手信啊！不過咧，我都想講下，如果有朋友咧 from UK 去第二度咧，想帶啲手信咧，我覺得呢度有啲嘢咧，依家間嘢係 Terminal 5啊。Terminal 5有間懶係買British souvenirs 喺 Heathrow 嗰度 Terminal 5，你可以買一啲呢啲呢個幾靚，我覺得。
呢個牌子咧好食嘅，同埋佢個包裝咧做得好靚嘅，好似一個 post box 咁樣。Only £9係啦，我覺得個價錢幾好啊，係啊。咁呢個咧我會買一個攞嚟送啲俾啲日本嘅日本人嘅朋友啦嚇。咁啊呢個巴士都幾靚啊嚇 ，Churchill's Confectionery。This one's pretty cool. This one's also really pretty。係啊，呢個都幾靚喎，呢個盒仔咁樣，係啊，佢好多呢啲手信咧做得好靚，做得好好，你會 make really nice gifts 翻去 whatever 國家，你帶啲手信俾朋友咧，我覺得好適合。呢個 KitKat 咧都好正嚇，大家知道佢個 slogan Have a break, have a KitKat 係啦 ，That's quite a nice little tin as well 係啊。Mind the gap, mind the gap. See it, say it, saw it. Say it, see it, saw it. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. My name's PC Stevo. Hello, 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 hello. Harry Potter 呢個係 Hagrid，you know Hagrid from 嗰個大隻佬 from Harry Potter 有冇唔捨得？唔知啊，啲巴士咯，都唔捨得嘅應該，好多朋友啊，啲屋企人我都探唔晒啲朋友啊。老實講，最衰嘅我係揾唔到晒啲朋友啊，唔夠時間。係啊，不過係啊，都掛住英國嘅。希望1年後會再翻嚟啦，再探下大家啦。我哋會搬翻嚟英國啊，我哋都會嘅，都英國始終係我哋個屋企，咁都會搬翻嚟嘅。幾年後咁樣咯，做完嘢咪翻嚟咯，係咯。Spice Girl 啊 ，Victoria、Jerry Halliwell、Scary Spice， 呢個 Sporty Spice 同埋 Baby Spice 啊 Emma。以前係 big fan 啦，我永遠搞唔清楚邊個係 Mel B、Mel C， 呢個好似係 Mel B， 呢個好似係 Mel C， 我搞唔清楚，永遠係啊。Jerry Halliwell、Victoria Beckham 啦，係啊 ，Emma Bunton， 而家個都係咁嘅樣咯，老咗啲咯，係啊 ，Spice Lady 咯，而家係 Spice Lady，Spice Ladies，they got really nice artwork on the cups， 2 for £12。It's so funny how we don't talk anymore. Cliff Richard 大家識唔識啊？係啊，那些年嘅 British Pop Cliff Richard 係啊，梗唔知啦。呢度 Cliff Richard 冇啊。哦，呢啲係咪 Cliff Richard 其實？Cliff 呢啲唔係 Cliff Richard 應該冇。估唔到我哋都會睇一陣。係。
咁另外一個地方想介紹呢，就係倫敦呢個 Sky Garden。咁平時呢，大家呢就可以免費上去最頂嗰度呢，就睇晒成個倫敦嘅風景。但係呢，好多時候呢都要排長龍，所以呢，我哋呢就會 book 上面嗰間餐廳食個下午餐，跟住呢，大家呢就可以周圍睇個倫敦嘅景色。咁佢啲餐廳又唔算太貴，所以呢，如果大家喺倫敦嘅話呢，就要不妨試下啦。 其實如果大家住喺 London 附近呢，都知道咧 London 搭地鐵咧係一個好特別嘅經驗。咁啊，有時咧就有啲人喺度唱歌表演啦。咁我哋咧就成日掛住一啲咁嘅 announcement。If
you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
我哋住喺 Surrey 嗰度呢，就所以要成日搭火車出去倫敦。咁喺 Waterloo 嗰度睇過水牌 check 火車時間呢，就係一個經典嘅經歷。搭火車成日唔準到係必然嘅事。不過最少呢，英國嘅火車呢係乾乾淨淨，唔逼嘅時候呢都係幾舒服嘅。
Hello， 咁我而家咧又到機場啦，係啊，又到機場要翻去日本啦。咁啊，呢次翻嚟都好開心啊。不過咧，我就好短嘅時間，我見唔晒所有朋友，係有啲朋友冇見嘅，真係唔夠時間探咗阿爸阿媽啦，係啊。不過又唔係好夠時間陪佢哋，係啦。不過冇計啦，要翻去啦。咁好啦，希望大家中呢條片咧覺得有趣啦，覺得有趣，我翻嚟英國做咗啲咩？希望大家將呢條片啦，下一條片再見，好啦，拜拜。